Rice can also be used for skin care. You can wash facial skin with rice water for at least once a week for beautiful and glowing skin. Let's prepare rice water face wash. Firstly, fill a cup with rice. The first step is to wash it so that dust and impurities get washed out in the water. After washing the rice, remove that water. Add fresh water again to that rice and mix it well with your hand. Now allow the rice to soak in that water for a span of 30 minutes. Now, remove that water from the rice and splash it on your face. Massage gently using your fingers. Follow this process for 6 minutes. Now again wash your face with clean water and finish the process. Use a dry towel to gently pat the skin. Your skin will look fresh and clean after this process.